Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're diving into the USDJPY currency pair and examining both the recent news and the technical analysis of the charts. Let's begin by looking at the current market environment and news related to the USDJPY. The Japanese yen has recently strengthened against the US dollar, pushing the USDJPY pair down from above 146.00 to near 142.00. This move was triggered by the political situation in Japan, where the ruling party, the LDP, did not choose a dovish leader. The incoming Prime Minister, Shigeru Ishiba, has called for a snap election on October 27th, leading to expected volatility in the yen throughout the month. Meanwhile, the USD is also being affected by improved risk sentiment due to recent Fed rate cuts and Chinese stimulus. U.S. 10-year yields are rising, suggesting reduced recessionary risks. However, the recent declines in the USDJPY pair may also be influenced by longer-term traders using the bounce to close out their positions. Now, let's switch to the one-day chart and see how USDJPY is behaving over a longer time frame. On the daily chart, we can see a clear uptrend in the USDJPY pair, with prices moving higher for the past several months. The pair has broken above multiple resistance levels, indicating a strong bullish sentiment. However, there has been a recent pullback which could signal a correction or consolidation before the uptrend resumes. It's important to note that the volume has been declining, suggesting a lack of conviction among traders. This could mean that the recent pullback could be a short-term correction and the bullish trend could continue. Looking at the one-hour chart, we can see that the USDJPY pair has been consolidating in a range between 142.00 and 144.00. This consolidation could be a sign that traders are unsure about the direction of the pair. However, there are some indications that the USDJPY may be poised to break out of this range. The pair is currently trading near the bottom of the range, which could suggest a potential bounce back to the top. Also, the RSI indicator is showing signs of oversold conditions, which could indicate a bullish reversal. Let's narrow our focus to the 15-minute chart to gain a more detailed understanding of the USDJPY's recent price action. The pair has been showing signs of volatility over the past few hours, with prices fluctuating rapidly. We can see a series of bullish candles followed by bearish candles. This suggests that traders are aggressively buying and selling the pair. The lack of clear direction in the short term could be a sign that traders are waiting for a catalyst to push the pair in either direction. Let's consider some key price levels to watch for in the coming days. On the daily chart, the 140.00 level is a strong area of support, which has held the USDJPY pair up for the past few weeks. If the pair breaks below this level, it could signal a major shift in sentiment and a potential downtrend. On the other hand, the 145.00 level is a major resistance level that the pair has struggled to break through. If the pair can break above this level, it could signal a continuation of the bullish trend. The 142.00 and 144.00 levels are also important to watch on the one-hour chart, as they have been acting as support and resistance levels in recent days. To summarize, the USDJPY currency pair is currently in a state of flux. The recent political developments in Japan have led to a strengthening of the yen, pushing the pair down. However, the USD is also being supported by improved risk sentiment. The daily chart is showing a clear uptrend, but the recent pullback could be a short-term correction. The one-hour chart suggests that the pair may be poised to break out of a range, but the direction is uncertain. The 15-minute chart shows signs of short-term volatility, suggesting that traders are actively buying and selling the pair. Key price levels to watch include 140.00 and 145.00 on the daily chart, and 142.00 and 144.00 on the one-hour chart. In the coming days, it will be important to watch for any news or economic data that could impact the USDJPY pair.